Well, sometimes the motorcycles are a bit much and fuel is expensive. So let's ride the old custom I built many years ago, well 5-6 years ago. 1500 watt motor on the back with disc brake, hydraulic fluid, proper disc brake, XT Dior I think. And we got a front disc brake as well, Shimano with fluid, and 500 watt, but it's actually about 750. And that's the front wheel drive of this monster. This is a 1952 Roadmaster, and it was bought about 7 years ago, and that is a 48 volt battery, so not very fast, but does 75 kilometers an hour. So let's go for a ride. The key to a good electric bike is a sine wave controller for the motor. It will make the throttle response much better. I'll just start at low speed here. We're going to get into traffic. Only on our way to coffee, so okay, we'll pedal a little bit up this hill while we're accelerating.